Hey everyone, it's Lucy, and today we are talking about the May Sub Box. I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside this box. As you can see here, my nails are matching the color scheme for this month. I totally did not plan that, but that's a very happy coincidence. Lisa actually mailed me this box just so that I could record this video for you guys, so I'm really glad that she was able to send this in time. And if you are a subscriber who doesn't want spoilers, do not watch ahead, but I'm assuming you do want spoilers if you're watching this video. So first off, we're gonna go through everything that's in the box, also talk about how our subscription works if you're new to it and all of that jazz. So first off, we are going to go over the weekly kit, which is the jewel of the box. It is my favorite thing to design, definitely for sure, because every single month we come up with a different theme and we just kind of go crazy with it. So as you can tell here, this is sort of like a desert Moroccan sort of vibe. We wanted something that would be usable for summer, since you received the box in May, but then you will probably use it in June or July. So we wanted something that was very summery, and I think this was a great job at capturing that. And so we are just going to go through all the pages. It's rose gold foil, if you can't tell, and we use our Luxe Premium Matte paper for our monthly sticker kits. That is different from the unicorn paper that we have in our shop. So this is a little bit more thicker, more smoother. Recommend using our Sakura micro perm pen with it. We've definitely gotten a lot of good feedback with this paper, so I'm really glad that you guys like it. And next up is our May deco sheet. And then also we have 6 different foiled sticker sheets. We've got palm leaf 2 and also cacti date dots. These are super cute. You could use these literally all month. And then we've got this cactus bloom deco, just really pretty. We wanted to include a lot of things that were, on theme. And then we've got desert circle. And finally, potted cacti. So those are all the stickers. As you can see, it's a ton, and you could use it for 1 week or you could use it the whole month. Totally up to you. We try to include enough stickers so that it works either way for you. And then we have our journaling card here, which I love designing every single month. I put them in my planner in the front usually, so that every time I open up my planner I see it. It's just like a fun way to sort of set the tone for the month. And then next up we've got our sticky notes. This is in the color Dune, and I wanted it to be sort of like a burnt sienna to match the whole desert vibes going on here. Our vellum sticky notes, definitely a fan favorite. They are semi-transparent. We do call them transparent sticky notes, but they're not totally transparent. I guess the correct term would be translucent. But as you can see here, it looks a lot darker when all the pages are together, but as a single sheet, it's a lot lighter. And I think it's just a great match with the rest of the color scheme going on here. If you are interested in our monthly sub box, it is available in the shop. We sold out for April, so chances are we may sell out for May again. So if you want this box, I wouldn't wait until the last second to grab it because we might sell out. If we have any extras, we usually end up listing them a few months down the road, but again, that's never guaranteed. The last thing that we're going to talk about is the washi. I had some trouble opening up and peeling the washi, not because of the washi, but because I just cut my fingernails, which they were really long before this video, since I've been doing dip powder nails, so they were very, very long, but I finally couldn't take it anymore and cut off. So it's been a transition for sure. So just laying out this 15mm washi here. It's rose gold foil. I love the Moroccan pattern here. It's so gorgeous. And if you don't already know, my two favorite colors are blue and orange. So this entire kit is just like sings to me. It's like so gorgeous. And then we've got our 5mm washi. Again, me having trouble with my new lack of nails. But we've got our 5mm washi here. That's also rose gold. And it's very simple since the 15mm is so busy and just, you know, a lot of patterns going on. So I feel like this really complements each other. And again, it's that sort of like burnt sienna color that matches the vellum sticky notes. So that is it for the May monthly sub box. We'll have a link down below in the description if you're interested. Again, this is our monthly sub box, so you can purchase it for one time only, which is $30, or you can save and subscribe. A monthly subscription is $24 a month, and we have a minimum of 2 months. And then if you want to save even more, you can purchase our prepay. We have 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months, and you can save up to, the box will be as low as $21. So you have a lot of different options there. We try to bring a lot of savings to you guys. The value of this box is over $55, so it's a lot. We put a lot of love into it every month, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you're excited for this month's box. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!